Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green sprouts. First, select high-quality organic seeds specifically meant for sprouting, as these will give you the best results. Next, soak your chosen seeds in water for about 8 to 12 hours to kickstart germination. After soaking, drain them thoroughly and place them in your sprouting container. Remember to rinse and drain your sprouts 2 times each day to keep them fresh and prevent mold. To get started, a simple glass jar with a mesh lid works perfectly for most sprouts, allowing for good airflow and drainage. Proper drainage is crucial to avoid any issues like mold or rot, so make sure no standing water remains. Keep your sprouting setup in a spot with a consistent room temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Always sanitize your jar and lid before each new batch to ensure a clean growing environment. Sometimes you might encounter a few challenges, but don't worry, they're usually easy to fix. If you notice any mold, it often means there isn't enough air circulation, so try moving your jar to a more open spot. Sliminess can be prevented by rinsing your sprouts more thoroughly and ensuring they drain completely. Avoid soaking your seeds for too long, as this can lead to rot. Always ensure your sprouts have adequate moisture, without being waterlogged for optimal growth. Once your sprouts reach about 1 to 2 inches in length, they are ready to harvest. This usually takes 3 to 7 days, depending on the seed type. After harvesting, give them a final rinse and store them in an airtight container in your refrigerator, where they'll stay fresh for up to 5 days. And speaking of quality, life's too short for cheap socks, so consider Darn Tough with their lifetime warranty. You can find a link to those, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy your fresh, nutritious sprouts in salads, sandwiches, or even blended into smoothies.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.